pictures and I'll find the page.
This is the baby elephant. And this one?
Here we go. This is the page for elephant.
Okay.
So you tell Noodle which sticker you want.
This one first? Okay.
And then Noodle pull off half of it and then Lena pull the other half.
Now, where are we going to put it? Put it somewhere. Oh yeah, very good.
Cat pat. You do cat pat. She's noticed. She's noticed.
Which one do we do now? That one.
Is he having a shower?
Oh, where's he gone?
Should we put him somewhere else? Is he stuck? Look, should we go in the water? Have a bath?
Oh, yes.
Pat pat. Pat pat.
What's next?
On the ball? Where's the elephant on the ball?
Here somewhere. That one's on the ball. Yeah, good place. Tap tap. Good girl. Which one? Ooh, a chocolate.